So, good morning. This is Dr. Kabata again, and I actually want to weigh in this question of mathematics. There's this question that many people have been asking. I saw that the government decided to do away with mathematics as an optional course to those people who are doing social sciences or who are not doing STEM. But I think the question that we need to ask ourselves is mathematics a science or an art? Because if it is both a science or an art, then making it optional for students who are doing social sciences or arts, then it means that you're actually doing a disservice to them. And the question that we also need to answer is what next for this issue? Because I think it is an issue that was not canvassed as much as it was supposed to be done. Because as a lecturer of the university, one of the things that I tell you, I teach social sciences, but I don't believe that students can do a lot in social sciences without mathematics because mathematics is a science and it is also an art. It is a science because we actually use logics and all these other things, illusions and logics and also structured issues like patterns and theories using mathematics. So we use logic and also discover patterns and also establish patterns and do proofs or do applications of rigorous proofs, then mathematics becomes science. But if you go back, you'll see a situation where we also need mathematics in creativity, we need it in intuition, we need it in some of these equations that can help us to actually be more creative. And therefore, mathematics becomes an art and a science. And because mathematics is an art and a science, then it means that saying that one group of people is not going to use mathematics, one of the group of students are going to get mathematics as an optional course, then you do a disservice to some of these students because when they need that part of mathematics that is important in the art perspective, then they are not going to be able to get anywhere. So my simple opinion is that we need to distinguish the mathematics that we need to be done by STEM students and the mathematics that needs to be done by the social science students. We need to have general mathematics and we need to have applied mathematics. For those of us who are going to be doing STEM, they can actually do applied mathematics. But for those of us who are going to be doing arts courses or social science courses, they can actually be able to do general mathematics so that it can help them in some of the areas where mathematics is needed in arts. Thank you very much.